Everything you need to know, all under one roof. Hello, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and widely used English phrase, all under one roof. This expression is not just a literal statement but carries a deeper meaning and various applications in everyday language. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and we'll explore some examples to make it crystal clear. So, let's get started. The phrase, all under one roof, is used to describe a situation where all the items you need or all the services you require are available in one place. It paints a picture of convenience and efficiency, implying that you don't need to go to multiple locations to find what you're looking for. Originally coming from the idea of having all family members living together in one house, it has evolved to be used in various contexts, including shopping, business services, and more. 1. Shopping centers. Imagine you're going to a large shopping mall. Inside, you can find clothing stores, electronics, groceries, and restaurants. You could say everything you need for your weekly errands is available, all under one roof. 2. Comprehensive services. Consider a digital marketing agency that offers web design, SEO, content writing, and social media management services. Instead of hiring separate companies for each task, you can get these services, all under one roof, at this agency. 3. Educational institutions. Some schools or universities offer a wide range of programs, from undergraduate degrees to postgraduate courses and professional certifications, all within the same campus. This is another example of having everything, all under one roof. Using all under one roof in a sentence is straightforward. Here are a few tips. It's often used to emphasize convenience and the benefit of having multiple needs met in one place. It can be used both in professional and informal contexts. Example sentences: Our new community center offers a gym, library, and art classes all under one roof. Why visit multiple stores when you can find everything you need all under one roof at the new mall? And there you have it. Everything you need to know about the phrase, all under one roof. We hope this video has shed light on how to use this expression effectively in your English conversations and writing. It's a useful phrase that highlights efficiency, convenience, and the advantage of having a single source for multiple needs or services. Keep practicing, and soon, using phrases like these will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.